Okay, let's get this drawing advanced a little bit more here. All right, extend the coffee table edge to the chairs. To there, that's CT. CT. Just about there. And there. Okay, so those two marks correspond with that there. And then it'll lighten these extended edges from the ends of the chairs. There we go. So you can see my table there. Now corners. Do this on the front side. This here. Okay, and I'm going to have to do a mark partial part of the way there, and then down. There. There. Not bad. Okay, and then I'll extend the sofa. So here, if I do this, if I extend the edge of the sofa to the end, I can see it's a little bit wider than the chairs. I could try to project that, or I can just look at the perspective drawing and decide that's a little wider than the chair on that side. That's a little wider than the chair on that side. And then I get the width of the sofa. Here, it just sits on the front. So I'm going to just approximate that that's where the front is. And there's a little bit more off, so that it's like that. So here is, okay. Good. Got those projected. Okay, good. And then one couple other things I want to do here. The depth of this sill, I guess it's the low wall that the window sits on. I am going to come down just about down there. And it's on the outside of the wall, so I'm from this corner going to draw an imaginary line upward. Okay, now here is my 3 feet back to the vanishing point, and then up here, now I know I can bring this up to there, and then that will give me the depth of that wall, which is right here. Okay. Good. I could, this is going to be similar. It's just going to like that. The plan doesn't give me a wall, so I'm going to say this is probably actually supposed to be floor to ceiling, but I might just add the low wall because I think it looks better. All right, now door frame. That's good. I'm going to correct some of that in the perspective later. Good. So I've got this there. So heights of the furniture. If seat height is 18, so 1 foot, I'm going to get right there in the middle between 1 and 2. That's 18 from the floor. There. And then 3 feet, 2 feet. I'm going to say 30 for the back of the chair. So I'll approximate between 2 and 3 feet there. So how do I bring this out to here? From the base of the chair, I will bring this, go draw this line back and go to the wall, up. You go up to the 30, and it's also intersecting the 18. Then I think what I want to do here is raise the bring up the side, like the corners of the side right there. And then from the 18, I'm going to come out and draw there. And then from the 30 up to here is going to be pretty boxy, but this is really just to give you heights in scale. So from the corner here up, up, and up. Good, so I can lighten this. I know that's where the chair will obscure anything behind it. There's my brush. There it is. Okay. There's vertical there, vertical there. So like this cube right here is 18 up off the floor. That's 30 for the back. I'm going to add an edge back here. So this will look, oops, boxy. Extend this there, and then this to there, and that to there. Yep. I'm going to bring that up Okay. There you go. All right, so you can now see the chairs. Now, I'm going to, so from here, you should have a reference image of a piece of furniture to draw over that, so that you have some design that you're applying to it. Okay, but this is basic, just like the basic scale. So here, so what it would look like is like here you need some like back. There, and then there. So something kind of like that. This should probably have a little bit of a curve to it, maybe a little bit of an angle down for the seat so that it's not just completely upright and somewhat awkward. So frame beneath it. Okay. Good. Soften those edges so that it doesn't look too much like it's made of a very hard, solid material. Sketching some shading on the side here. Good, and here, yep, I guess I have to see the design of the leg, but yeah, but you do have to specify what the chair is and provide an image of it so I can compare. The back leg here is just gonna get obscure, that fourth leg behind there, so guess you can't draw it. Good. Good, and then the coffee table, extend this here, back to the wall, up. I can leave it also, maybe I'll go a little bit lower than 18. Maybe I'll go like 14 or something like that. Just do it like a little bit. A little lower than the seat surface. Okay. There. So these come up to that. That goes to the vanishing point. Okay. Okay. I've got an awkward edge here where the base of the wall lines up with the edge of the table. I think I'm going to make that even a little bit lower. I'm just going to eyeball something a little lower. And then once I have this height in this corner on that leg, do that. Good. Put the wall back. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Very good. That's a pretty good start. Okay, more later.